All right, what's this?
This is the board that I talked about in the Great Searcher. I talked about a DAC, an I2S DAC board that has headphone and speaker output. I really liked the look of this DAC, so I made a little breakout board for me to play with, and I'll put it in the shelf if it works out.
Okay. So this is a little preview of what we showed on Show and Tell. This is The Great Search. It's a video game, runs on Android phones
Android.
and
Android.
Android phones. It
And
runs on
Android.
Android phones and anything that has a web browser pretty much. And then of course, iOS and Android. So one of the cool things about this is we'll be able to tell some of
Is
the
it with Linux?
yeah,
Oh.
we'll be able to tell some of the Adafruit story in ways that we weren't able to before, because Wikipedia is not really trustworthy for at least a lot of things. So we wanted to have like some of the Adafruit history, but it's like, where do we put it? So why don't we make it a video game that you can play along with? So what we thought was like, here's the first Adafruit factory. Here's us the time we went to Vegas and we bought a pick and place machine.
Yeah.
Here's us defeating patent trolls. Here is us at the post office giving them packages to ship out. So all sorts of history of Adafruit and different things we've done. But then of course, like exciting cyberpunk levels and more.
Yes.
So a little bit of a preview. Trevor will be showing this off.
This makes running a business look so much more exciting than it is. And also less exciting than it is.
Yeah. So this is a preview. You heard some of the music that we're doing. We're going to have ways for you to make your own levels, all sorts of stuff. And that's the top secret for the week.